The Ideal House heavy-duty garment rack is a versatile piece that fits seamlessly into various spaces, including bedrooms, closets, and laundry rooms. With a frame dimension of 29.5 inches in length, 13.7 inches in width, and 70.8 inches in height, this rack offers ample storage capacity with its 2 fabric bags, 3-tier shelves, clothes hanging rod, and side hooks. The adjustable shelves and hooks provide additional organization options, allowing for easy storage of detergents, toiletries, and more, while ensuring good ventilation to keep laundry odor-free. The 2 removable laundry bags feature dual reinforced handles, making it convenient to carry them directly to the washing machine without moving the entire rack. Height-adjustable shelves, rods, and hooks in 1-inch increments make it easy to customize the rack to fit various items, and the adjustable leveling feet ensure stability on uneven surfaces. Assembly is straightforward and tool-free, requiring only 15 minutes to set up, making it an ideal choice for those who prefer a hassle-free installation process.